how to troubleshoot and resolve login issue on Coinbase. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to troubleshoot and resolve login issues on Coinbase. So the reason why this kind of issue occurred might be several. So in order to fix it, what you can do is, first of all, you can turn off your mobile device and then back it on. You could do this by pressing the side button for at least 3 seconds. And when you do this, you'll be able to see this option slide power off. You can just press on it and then you can restart your device. And if the restart doesn't help or doesn't seem to be working out, then you can try checking your internet connection. Sometimes if you have unstable or poor connectivity, then it might be one of the reasons. So you could go to your settings and click on network and internet, and accordingly you can switch over to your mobile data or maybe Wi-Fi or vice versa. So that should be able to fix the issue. And likewise, you could also go and update your device operating system. So go to settings, and here you should be able to see about phone, and right over here you could look for an option to update your device itself. So in this way you can fix your issue. However, if the application doesn't seem to be working out despite of doing all of these procedures, then you can also try updating your mobile app to the current version. So for that, go to your Play Store. On the search box, type in Coinbase, and right over here, if you locate Coinbase and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. So after done updating your application, it should be able to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be working out, then you can also try clearing the cache as well as data. For that, you need to long press on your Coinbase, go to the app info page, and here you need to go to storage and data. Go to that, and here go and click on clear cache as well as clear data, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. So these are some of the ways to troubleshoot and resolve login issues on Coinbase. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.